Orúkọ tèmi ni Bimbo Thomas. Orúkọ mi ni Bimbo Thomas. It's quite unfortunate that we are burying my mom today. It's not what we planned. I'm sure kò sẹ́ni tó plan láti sọ pé kò ń sìn ìyá òun anytime soon. Òbí kankan náà ò dẹ̀ gbàdúrà kó ń sin ọmọ òun síwájú òun. But tí Ọlọ́run bá ti ní bóun ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ni, we don't have a choice than to just, go with it. Nobody can stop the cold hand of death. And my mom is a very precious mom to me. Everybody around us can tell. If you were in my house when we were doing the line in state, you hear what everybody says. She's bubbly. She's everybody that knows Bimbo Thomas will know she's bubbly. I'm sociable. I'm friendly. I'm just like a twinny, to my mom. There is nothing I don't share with my mother. I won't come and take away one kid. That's not my own mother. There is nothing I don't share with her. I just want to use this medium to say, Mom, you can see my heart, and you know that I truly want you to leave. But God knows. I want to say you will find God's face. Sleep good. Sleep good. Rest well. Rest in the bosom of the Lord. We all love you. Family, friends, immediate family, grandchildren, children. We love you. Your friends, your church members. We all miss you. We miss you. We miss you. We miss you so much, Mommy. Surreal, Ajoke. Madara Masha. Please watch over us. I still can't gather my thoughts together. It's still very shocking. It's a rude shock. I was with you till the last minute. I don't know what to say. Everybody. Àwọn ìfìrè ìgbà lọ́wọ́ ara wa lágbára Ọlọ́run àwa ọmọọrẹ àgbẹ̀yìn àwa náà àgbẹ̀yìn arúgbó wa lágbára Ọlọ́run àní ìfìrè ẹ̀gbà ẹ ṣé gan ni mo dúpẹ́ gbogbo fẹ́tẹ́ ní sí mi àtàwọn àbúrò mi àtàwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Ọlọ́run á nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín náà. Thank you because you are our pillar, you are our support. Tá a bá rí yín kí la lè dá ṣe. Just want to say, Momsy, sleep well. Sleep well. You have found the face of the Lord, and you'll rest eternally in His bosom.